Let's learn the countries and their national birds. The red-crested tourouco is the national bird of Angola. National bird of Antigua and Barbuda is magnificent frigate bird. The emu is the official national bird of Australia. National bird of Argentina is Rufus hornero. The national bird of Aruba is burrowing owl. National bird of Austria is barn swallow. The flamingo, the national bird for Bahama. The national bird of Bahrain is white-cheeked bulbul. The magpie robin is the national bird of Bangladesh. National bird of Belgium is common kestrel. The keel-billed toucan is the national bird of Belize. The raven is Bhutan's national bird. The national bird of Botswana is the Kori bustard. Brazil's national bird is the rufous-bellied thrush. The giant ibis is Cambodia's national bird. The red-crowned crane is China's national bird. The Andean condor is the national bird of Colombia. Cuban trogon is the national bird of Cuba. Kingfisher is the national bird of Czech Republic. The national bird of Denmark is the mute swan. Steppe eagle is the national bird of Egypt. Robin, or redbreast robin, is the national bird of England. The Gallic rooster is the official national bird of France. National bird of Faroe Islands is oystercatcher. The quetzal is the national bird of Guatemala. The national bird of Honduras is the scarlet macaw. The gyrfalcon is the national bird of Iceland. The peacock is the national bird of India. The national bird of Indonesia is the Javan hawk eagle. The national bird of Israel is the hoopoe. The Jamaican doctor bird, or swallowtail hummingbird, is Jamaica's national bird. The national bird of Japan is the green pheasant. The Sinai rose finch is the stunning national bird of Jordan. The common bulbul, also known as the pepper bird is, the national bird of Liberia. The Baltic white stork is, the official national bird of the Baltic state of Lithuania. The national bird of Malaysia is, the rhinoceros hornbill. The golden eagle is, the national animal of Mexico. The beautifully colorful Himalayan minal is, the national bird of Nepal. The national bird of Nigeria is, the black crowned crane. The spotted kiwi bird is, the national bird of New Zealand. The white-throated dipper is, Norway's national bird. The Pakistan national bird name is, Chukara partridge. The national bird of Panama is, harpy eagle. The snowy owl is, the provincial bird of Quebec. The blue crane is, the national bird of South Africa. The Sri Lankan jungle fowl is, the national bird of Sri Lanka. The Eurasian blackbird is, the national bird of Sweden. The Siamese fireback is, the national bird of Thailand. The national birds of Trinidad and Tobago are the scarlet ibis. The falcon is the national bird of the United Arab Emirates. The bald eagle is, the national bird of the United States of America. The Venezuelan troupial is, the national bird of Venezuela. The red kite is, the national bird of Wales. The stone-carved Zimbabwe bird is, a national emblem of Zimbabwe. Thanks for watching. See you on next video.